Skrat?
Oh.
No.
Had one.
But it pulled out?
Just a paw is left.
Something ate it.
Oh, that never set off. That sucks. Oh, this is that one. Shit, I wouldn't have set this one if I would have known that.
You think something ate it?
Probably a mink.
Huh. Put it in your bibs. The claw.
The claw. And I got another one right here.
Yeah, I didn't know where you had it exactly, so I didn't want to try to reach for nothing.
It was right here. And then I thought I had it staked in the water right here.
A skrat. A baby skrat.
Uh-huh.
Oh, its leg is broken.
Uh-huh.
I can't believe this is a skrat hut.
I know.
There's got to be tons of them.
I know.
You can hear the coyotes.
Did you?
Yeah. You just slung skrat water in my eye.
Oh, I'm sorry.